A very good morning to everyone who is watching this live. This is Mr. Munetsi in Durban. Greetings to everyone wherever you are watching this live. We are in Durban. Tasvika panzvimbo pachona pane vanhu. I would like to say greetings. If you have just joined this live for the first time, welcome to Great Hope. We are broadcasting live in Durban, Kwatauya, kusona vanobatsira. So I want to say good morning to everyone. This is Great Hope. We are saved to save. We love our people. We love our communities. That's why we are always on the ground whenever there is need. So I'm greeting to everyone wherever you are. This is Mr. Munetsi. Kindly share the live. Tasvika kuno kudebeni. Kwatiri kuita a live broadcasting of the situation iri panapa. The only thing that I can simply say to you is that kana muchikwanisa we muzvionere mega kuti zvakamira sei, because if takada kukudzai munozoti ava Munetsi vatanga varugadzira content handiti. So ndida kuti muye mega muzvionere mega kuti situation iri sei on the ground. I think I just need to ask these guys. Guys, I want you to be my security. I'll pay 100 rand, all of you. I don't have money. Can you do that? Just to protect me. Huh? Standing, walking with me. Yes. So I just want protection so that no one takes my phone. Am I safe here? Am I safe? Okay. So that's why I wanted you guys to be my security. So good morning, greetings to everyone. This is Mr. Munetsi. We want to thank everyone who is supporting us. We have brought some things that we are going to give to our fellow brothers and sisters who are camping here. So we are going to do the distribution. We came with some sanitary pads. We also came with some Pampers that we are going to give to the children. So this is where I am. We've just arrived in Durban. This is a live broadcast that is coming directly from Durban with Mr. Munetsi, and also my sisters are from Chloe Foundation. And the situation on the ground is not looking well. Chandongotaura ndechekuti ndinoti vanokwanisa kuuya wemuzoonere mega zviri kuitika pano panzvimbo. I think you can have a better understanding of what is happening at the moment. If I am going to say it from a distance, you won't be able to understand. That's why Great Hope is on the ground together with the Chloe Chuta Foundation. So we try our level best, making sure kuti sorry sisi. We try our level best, making sure that we cover and you see yourself under very difficult conditions or circumstances. So that's why we are here. So this queue is specifically for women who wants to go. And then the sad part of the situation, you can see there are many women, there are many children who are varugara panapa. It seems ndezvekuti vana vakawandisa ndo vari panapa. So we are going to distribute what we have. We brought some stuff for children, and we also brought some stuff for women. And these ones are on the queue. They want to register kuti vapinde mubhazi. But what is more heartbreaking on the situation is that vana vari panapa vakawandisa. I'll try to find another way so that you'll be able to see it on another angle. Muna situation yachona. So women and children, they are here. Our varumbazi, and as we mentioned, kuti vanhu ava vari panapa vamwe vachona vane almost vane almost 2 weeks. This is the 3rd week vari pano. Muchaona munhu mavari kugara nemavari kurara kuti makamira sei. And hello, how are you? I think I have to talk to you. How are you, my sister?
No, Miss Mother.
No, it's okay. How are you? No, it's fine. I've removed. Okay, how are you?
Fine.
So you're going home today?
Yeah.
All right. Travel safely, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, your situation actually iri pa ground at the moment. Apa ndo patepi pari kuwanikwa mvura ivanhu vese pane tumabhauza atinawo ndo ari kunge ane mvura. So we try to go to another angle. Yeah. The coverage will be very bit tricky, but we'll make sure that we cover as many as we can. So as we have been saying, that these people have been camping here for almost more than 2 weeks. Initially, vanhu vangu vachitaura kuti vanhu vari panapa vanosvika ku around 10,000, but considering the situation that we are at the moment, this number can actually be more than that number of 10,000. So you see, where I am now at the moment, where I'm walking now at the moment, mukati anditi kati chiri mukati asandapedza kuita coverage yemukati yese. Muchaona futi ivamwe vakagara vari kunze. So if you have to ask me kuti Mr. Munetsi, can you estimate kuti how many people might be here? It might be the number can reach up to 15,000. Anditika. So there's police and there's different departments. All right, let me just interview my sister here. Guys, those are the things that came from Chloe Chihuta Foundation. We are going to these nappies and some pads that we are going to distribute. So I'm just going to ask my sister. Sorry, you are live. Good morning.
Morning, Mr. Mets. How are you?
How are you?
Yes, I'm doing
Good.
well. I'm doing well.
How are you? Okay.
Yeah. So we are from Chloe Chihuta Foundation. We came from Cape Town. And then there are some ladies that are still on their way. They are arriving very soon from Johannesburg.
Yes.
So we came here to support our sisters
Yes.
and our brothers. We are one. So we're going to be handing over some sanitary pads. We're going to be handing over some pampers for the children so that the woman stays healthy and clean. So yeah, that is all. This is our foundation.
Oh,
Yeah,
Chloe.
this is Chloe.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. My sister, thank you very much for the good job that you are doing, supporting our fellow brothers and sisters from Malawi. All right. So you're going to do the distribution after the car arrives? Oh, okay. All right. No problem. So I'll come back when you are ready distributing. Just let me know so that we can find ways of helping our people. So as I mentioned earlier, is that asandambona zvakadai guys, andiri kukunyeperai upenyu hwangu hwese handisati ndakaenda kunzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana, but truly speaking asandambona zvinhu zvakadai. Saka ndo matelesi achona ari panapa akangogadzikwa ndo ari kubatsira vanhu, ndo matelesi amuri kuona achona iwaya. Yeah. So ndo matelesi achona. So makaona kuti kune vanhu vari kunoko, handitika kembi yese yakazara vanhu yamuri kuona izvo kembi yese ine vanhu vamuri kuona ivavo, handitika. Then kogoita vamwe vari kunze vasiri mukembi, we don't know kuti namba yavo yakawanda sei, vamuri kuona vari kunze uko kumhiri kwesoko, handitika ndivari kumhiri vesoyo, handiti. My understanding with what I'm seeing now, this place must be declared a national disaster because the situation in the background is kumira mushe. And we have been talking about women and children zviri kutongoramba ndo situation yachona ichiri iyoyo yekuti vanoda assistance. And imwe challenge iripo ndeyekuti panogona kuita panogona kuitika a break, munoiti chipachirungu, kuti zvirwere zviri kuitika izvi zvinogona kuuya, munoiti chi outbreak of disease zvinogona kubuda izvozvi nesituation yamuri kuona iyoyi. Handiti it's not looking good, but at the same time we came in here as the Zimbabwean community with Sisi Chloe Foundation, so that kana tiri kukumbira vanhu kuti tinokumbira rubatsiro, people you be able to understand kuti help iri kudiwa yakamira sei, what help can we give, how we can assist our fellow brothers. As you all know that Zimbabwe and Malawi, we are one family. We have got a very good relationship. So ndo mune mamwe machange machona muri kugara vanhu vamuri kuona imomo nomo, vanenge vaitola kunopinda mutendeo ogara imomo, but vazhinji vari kutongorara panze pamuri kuona pane mikwende yavapo, ndo pavari kugara ipapa. So situation yachona yamuri kutoona ndiyoyi. At least ndasvika paground toona kuti zvakamira sei. Once we do the distribution of the things, we'll also be able to interview some of those people. And munozwa kuti vanhu vachona unofanira kutobhihevha zvakanaka, vanhu vane uturu, vanhu vane hasha, handitika. But the good thing is that Great Hope is on the ground assessing the situation, so that vanoda kubatsira vanobva vauya vobatsira vega voona kuti zveshuwa tinogona kuita something. So I would like to take this opportunity again to thank Sisi Chloe Chihuta Foundation for the assistance, and I also want to take this opportunity to thank the Great Hope for being here. And yeah, we are here. I've just covered maybe a small part of the situation on the ground, so that you'll be able to see kuti vanhu vari kuita sei. As I mentioned yesterday, guys, kuti matents aripo panapa mashoma, they won't be enough to accommodate everyone. And the challenge yapo macho ndeyekuti chero mabhazi akanzi anouya nekuwanda kwakaita vanhu panapa, the buses might not be enough. Chero zviita sei. Yesterday we were talking about maybe panoda about 120 buses kuti clear backlog iyi, but nemawandira akaita vanhu panapa, I don't know kuti zvakamira sei. And so what I was thinking that is that the only thing that can be done now is maybe is to declare this place as a national disaster, so that all the people can come together. The government of South Africa may or must declare this place as a national disaster. Okay. Nenyaya kuti situation yachona haina kumira mushe. We can't be in a situation whereby vanhu vari kugara semakonzo panapa, vanhu vari kugara kunge zvigunduru panapa. Anditika. Huh? Oh, they're calling me. Okay, yeah, now giving now. All right. All right. I think I should be on standing that side. Okay, thank you. So we are now distributing some of the things that we have come. The women are coming and collecting their sanitary pads. Okay. You can come and collect. They are getting the sanitary pads. And those with the children, they are also getting the Pampers. I want to ndautenda Mwari nevanhu vabvisoni pavanogona. Muri kuona madzimai atiri kubatsira vari kuuya vachipiwawo masanitary pads kuti vaende nawo nevana. Handiti panapa pane basa rakawanda rinoda kuitwa, ndiri kukunyeperai. Ndosaka tauya paground kuti muzvionere mega kuti vamuri kuona vana vacheche vadiki. Nditika Rikuya tikuwapa ma-sanitary pads nemanapukeni amuri kuona vanhu vakawandisa. It's more than 10,000. So this place must just be declared a national disaster so that all the parties should come together. And I don't know if it will be enough to give them the buses. Ma'am, can I just ask, how old is the baby?
4 months.
4 months. All right. And how is the situation here? Okay. Ungakhuluma isiZulu? Ibe njani situation yalapha? Okay. Yeah. All right. Huh? That's which one? Okay, Sisi. They just told me that your child was born when? Huh? 18 April. So it's almost 2 months. Okay. How is the baby feeling in terms of the health? She's fine. Okay, sis. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. So she said the baby was born 2 months ago. I'm just asking about the condition of the baby. How old is the baby and how is the baby feeling? They say the baby was born 2 months ago. So we are still distributing the sanitary pads and also the pampers. We have also put our account numbers so that this does not mean that we are neglecting our fellow brothers, our sisters from Zimbabwe, but we came here, guys, so that more situation in the background. Shakamira say. Okay. Special thanks to Sisi Chloe. Yes, they are all Malawians. All right. Like what I said yesterday, guys, kuti 50 rand yauchabvisa inobatsira, 30 rand yauchabvisa ichabatsirana. I cannot ask, that to be improper kuti tibvunze kuti madzimai akapedzera kushandisa rini, but the situation toratidza kuti vazhinji vachona they are really happy to receive all these things, considering kuti mukembi mavari muno havakwanisi kubuda, havakwanisi kuenda kunzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana, handiti saka vanotongogara vachingomirawo kubatsirwa, handiti vari kutotaura nyaya yechando. It's another story. It's another story.
How many of them?
Sisi, can I ask you, how old is the baby? The baby is that side. Oh, okay, all right. And how is the situation here? How is the situation here? Oh, okay. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, okay. All right. The lady that is here, she's not feeling well. Yeah. Sure.
I'll give you a banana.
What's the problem at today?
So this is what happens here? Sugar.
Yes, the food. What is it?
Yes, stand here.
Sorry, Baba.
Stand this side. This side, this side. Lighty, heads up. Lighty, heads up. Lighty, heads up. Lighty, heads up.
Oh, do you...
Come. What do you get? Heads up.
Oh. So you,
I think it's a panic. It's a panic, and then it's because of you can come this way.
I am the client. You passing me, look at the thing here. Look at this.
And sugar in the cup.
guys, it seems as if some of you didn't understand when we said we are coming. We are coming to the ground. We wanted to assess the situation so that muzoonere mega kuti zvakamira sei. Ndio situation yekuti vanhu vari kurarama izvozvi muno muSouth Africa. Yeah, translator ari kuuya. English ndapanzwisisa kuti it's a challenge. It's a challenge. Now we've got a full broadcast the entire day. One of the interpreters is going to come. He's going to help us so that we'll be able to for them to understand. I know English is a bit challenging and so on. Saka kia muri kuona ndo yemadzimai nevana ava vatinavo vana vachechi vane queue yavo nemadzimai. Ndiye madzimai ane vana vachechi. Anditi
Maybe the other thing that is needed,
you can say.
Medication. A lot of people, they have flu. Like my brothers here, a lot of them, they are coming, they are having a flu.
Yes.
So a lot of people, they are catching flu. And there is a high risk of diseases outbreak.
Yeah, outbreak, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Murikusinzwa here kuti hanzi imwe challenge iripo ndeyema medication. Vazhinji hanzi vakarohwa neflu, and the flu haingambotadzi kubata nemagariro kuti vanhu vari kuswera vari panze, vari kurara panze and so on. Right. I know kuti vazhinji patakataura kuti tiri kuenda paDurban, tiri kuya on the ground, hamuna kunzwisisa kuti chii chiri kuitika. Makatoti muri kuenderei, but kuzoya pano pakembi pachona muchazozvionera kuti maakunasozvionera kuti there is a need. But whatever any intervention that they are doing, they will never succeed. The only thing that they can do, guys, is just for the South African government to admit, to declare this situation as a national disaster, so that they are able to bring all the relevant departments. They should also bring the Red Cross. They need to bring ambulances. They need to acknowledge and accept that the situation here is bad. They are not able to handle it. As I mentioned to you earlier, that we only have got 2 buses here, and we are talking that vanhu vari panapa vanogona kutosvika ku 15,000, 10,000 vashoma, but nhasi ndangoona paine 2 mabhazi aripo izvozvi. Pane 2 mabhazi ndoandaona aripo, saka yanguva yelunch yekuti vari kupiwa something chekudya. So this is a situation whereby they have to assist these people from Malawi. They cannot just wait and say we are waiting for the buses. Yes, the buses must come, but there are some urgent needs that are needed on the ground. Anditika, with the pace where it is now, at the moment, the current situation at the moment, to say that when are the buses going to come, when are they going to clear everyone? If they are going to do the pace that they are doing now, this may take up to 3 months for them just to clear it may take 3 months just to clear everyone who is here. Oh, sorry. Munomu ndombo dzimwe nzvimbo muri kugara vanhu mavari kurara munomu. Vese vamakaona vari kugara munomu vari kugara. I'm just waiting for the interpreter to come. My interpreter is coming. We'll be able to talk to people and hear. Murikuona queue yevanhu vari kuda masanitary pads kwairi kusvika uku. Vanhu vada masanitary pads ava. I don't think kuti achinawo anosvika kunoku. Because tikupa so far priority ndeyekuti masanitary pads ari kupiwa vane vana vacheche. Kana usina mwana mucheche unfortunately hazvikwanisike handiti. Saka queue iri specifically kuti kana wachida sanitary pad unofanirwa kunge uri mudzimai, unofanirwa kunge uine mwana. So this is the instruction that is very clear handiti. Huh? Oh, you want the newspaper?
Yes.
Okay, my brother. Sharp. Thank you. Would you mind just to say what is your name, my brother?
My name is Adam.
What is your name?
Adam.
Adam. Okay. You are from Malawi.
Yes.
And how long have you been here?
2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
Yes.
How are you coping with this area? Like it's almost 2 weeks.
This area is not going good.
Sure. So at night you just sleep outside?
Night, you can see everyone here is sleeping outside, not one is sleeping inside. It's not good.
It's not good.
It's not good.
What do you want maybe? I hope that is needed now.
I'm liking to be maybe guest for Malawi to help him. Maybe they can help him the bus.
Yes.
Or take the anyone here to go to Malawi.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. But are they promising that when are the buses going to come here?
Yeah, you got another guy's promise. He said the bus is coming.
But so there are many people. I can see like the number is increasing every day. People continue to come.
Yeah, they continue to come, but because they everywhere, the people don't want they come to stay their way. So everyone is coming to stay here because the people liking to fight him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think the Malawian government is doing a lot to help? Are they helping the government of Malawi?
The government of Malawi is not bent. We come in here, but they don't say the anything.
They're not doing anything.
And don't say the anything.
Yo.
Yeah, so now I don't know what they can do.
Okay.
But I'm waiting for bus.
Yes. So where you were staying before, you ran away because of xenophobia?
Before me, I'm staying in Tomat.
Yes.
Yeah, so now I'm done until because the people fighting don't like the people they calling us.
Yes.
That one I'm fighting.
Sure. Let's just hope when things are going to be fine. My name is Mo Boys Munetsi. I'm coming from my home country. I'm a Zimbabwean. We also came with some things that we are giving the ladies.
Yeah.
So you see all these ladies who are standing here, we are giving them some sanitary pads. We are also giving them some pampers for the children. Zimbabwe and Malawi, we are one country. And we have got a very good relationship. So as we are here as the Zimbabwean community, we brought some things that we are giving to all these women. And now we are also going to come again, I think on Saturday, with also what we can help to the entire Malawian community. Yes. So we understand, we are brothers, and we are also targets of xenophobia in South Africa. So we are here to support our fellow brothers from Malawi. Thank you very much. Anyone want to say anything? Huh? You can say anything.
I can say anything. Thank you for everyone who's supporting us in this situation.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay. As I said that Zimbabwe and Malawi, we are one country, guys. You guys, we love you. You are humble people. And some of you are also marrying our Zimbabwean sisters. There's nothing wrong about it. But thank you very much, my brother. All right.
Yay!
Sisters, you're coming here. My name is Munetsi. My name is More Voice. We came with the sanitary pads that we are giving you. So these pads that you are going to get today, they are coming from a Zimbabwean organization. We just came to support our sisters from Malawi. All right. Thank you. All right. we are one. Zimbabwe and Malawi is one country. You know that. That's why we bring you all the sanitary pads for all the women and also for the children. We'll come again and support you because we are one. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. How much is to charge if I come back?
50 rand.
50 rand? Yeah. I can't pay 50 rand. You are my friend. Alright, ndienda bhadhara kana yakupera. Ifast handiti.
Eda adina mari uruzoda.
Yeah, no ndinanchi bhadhara.
Iwe utotibhadhara.
Aiwa andobhadhara 50 rand, don't worry. But here woman. Oh, opilanga baba. Huh?
Uyapila wena baba.
Sifuna ukukusiza baba.
Afuna ukusiza wena.
You are sick. What help do you need now? What assistance? Ungamtholikela baba.
Udwa yani?
Headache. Since when?
Since when?
Oh, okay. So, do you want me to look for some tablets for you?
Yeah.
For headache? Yes. Okay, let me go and bring them.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, I know I'm gonna bring them.
This place is not right. This place is not right. Too much data here.
So you guys are sleeping here?
Even me, I'm sick flu. It's not right.
Every day you're sleeping here?
Yeah.
And how long have you been sleeping here?
2 weeks now.
This is the 3rd week, huh? 2 weeks?
2 weeks now. 15 days.
Are they talking about the buses, or do you know when are the buses coming?
Bus is coming two buses today.
But it can't help 2 buses. You know they must bring, if they want to bring buses, they must bring maybe 50 buses per day, 50. 2 buses, it won't bring any difference. Yeah.
Government is not right.
But are they aware that this is the situation? All right, so let me go and look for tablets for you. Okay. I'm coming back. And you also said for flu? All right. Guys, as you know that we are communicating with the people on the ground. These guys, they are saying he's not feeling well, he's sick. It's almost, they've been sleeping here on the ground for the past 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. And the majority of them, they are also having flu. And the challenge in etikapan pakawantika kudai. Zviri nyore kuti ma contagious disease are spreading. Even ma STDs anogona kuitika, guys, because hapana kana precaution. Varume vakangomixana nevakadzi, and ndo situation yachina zvairi, guys. So there can be also an outbreak, and even munhu akabatwa nezvirwere zvakaita sanga ma STDs vanobatsirika sei. Guys, kana muchikwanisa kutega Sisimeli, vategei Sisimeli kuti Sisimeli Diaries, Sisimeli neorganization yenyu yema diaries, vategei Sisimeli, vategei Sisimeli. Ndakutongokukumbira hanzvadzi yangu kuti nema diaries enyu itai kamudeni Sisimeli, mutume vanhu venyu paground, muzoonere mega. Anditika, I know kuti ma diaries, they always stand pachidiwa need. So please, mudze Sisimeli kuti hatina mukoma More Boys kunokupana papane basa zvamakwanisa even zvidiki zvachona kuti mubatsire nazvo, ngavatume ma diaries. Apana hope panapa yokuti mabhazi anogona kuya rini. Ende zvandakuudzai kuti so far pane 2 mabhazi aripo panapa. And makatarisa kuti 2 mabhazi achona guys, sorry for national. Pane 2 mabhazi ari panapa, and 2 mabhazi achona haatomboratidziki any change inenge iripo at all nemawandiro akaita vanhu. Saka kwakutongodawo kuti isusu semazimbabwenzi kutongobatsiranawo. So please Sisimeli, ndikumbira kuti mutume madiaries enyari Durban auyozoona situation iri pano paground. And then I'm sure kuti with your organization munogona kuuya munhu unganhongozva munotongokwanisa kungobatsirawo. Handiti pamuri kuona kuti kuwanda kwakaita vanhu kudai, Anna Sisimeli, Anzi, we are bringing help. Yes, thank you very much Sisimeli. Sisimeli varesponda vati madiaries vari kuita pane zvavari kuita. Thank you very much. At least kuuya kwandaita on the ground kwakuvhurirawo mukana vanhu vazhinji vakwanise kuona kuuya vachiita se vachibatsira. And so this is the situation that we are. Madzimai atinawo apa ari kupiwa ma sanitary pads. We've got our sister here. She's not feeling well. They are trying their level best to help her. Patataura naye pakutanga anga achiti paitika stampede. Pastampede pachona ndo pafa paitika. Nenyaya yekuti panapa hapana kana ve-first aid, hapana kana first aid kana vema-ambulance vanokwanisa kubatsira. Saka apa vakutozama kusenzesa ma-traditional ways ekuti vabatsire nawo. Handiti muri kuzviona kuti sisi havasi kunzwa zvakanaka. And then pane mukomana wataona wandapromisa mapiritsai. Ndichatomukumbirira ndinzwe kuti kune vanhu vatafamba navo hapana here anokwanisa kubatsira. So it is the situation at the moment, but the good thing is that today the place is very quiet. Hakuna noise dzaitika dzekuti vanhu varohwa, vanhu vaita strike, vaita sei. Police, they are maintaining the law and the order. And so I won't stop asking for help. Kuti hama dzedu dziri panapa dzinoda kubatsirwa guys. Mamwe machona mamuri kuona mandiri kufamba mune mabhegi avo ndo mavari kurara, madzimai nevana ndo mavari kutorara. Zvabva kutaurwa nevakomana vachaona manje vai vachitaura kuti tinongorara mufloor. Panapa ndo pane matoilets achona. Vakatarisa kuti mvura yematoilets iyi iri padhuze nepanorara vanhu. Matoilets aya ari paya. Aya ndo pane matoilets aya. Chitarisai panogara vanhu kuti it's less than 10 meters ipanenge pane magumbeze evanhu vachirara. Who would suffer that thing like guys? Iyi mvura iri kubva matoilet yamuri kuona iri kuyerera iri kubva matoilets. So vada kubatsirawo through the Great Hope Foundation. Taisa number yachona account number. You can help whatever you have. But I can tell you, any cent that you are going to put, it's going to change the life of someone here. Saka imagine kuti kuterera vanhu kaikoko. This is not right. Kuti matoilets ari apa. Vanhu mvura yekubva matoilets vanhu vari kurara paside. Inini pachangu kuti ndirambe ndiri panapa azviite because it's not looking good. Yeah. We'll try to do more coverage as we can. This is the situation. Yeah. Nomwe mukurara vanhu.
I will also have a picture you can get. Just one.
Huh? Achimwenes, how are you? Muri right? Yakona pana anogona Shona Makadi. Ah, guys, you're disappointing. You don't speak Shona. I know a lot of people from Malawi, they speak Shona. How are you, my brothers? Sure. You know, someone just mentioned to me and said kuti vakazvitanga ngavazvipedze iwe munhu machona kupedza nguva takaenda in that angle yekuti vakazvitanga ngavazvipedze hakuna kwatinoenda, we won't go anywhere handiti hakuna kwatinoenda, otherwise vemunomo vachona havana zvavanokwanisa kuita. But one thing that I can confirm is that the South African government has failed to handle this situation here in Durban. That is the truth of the matter. No matter how you might say it, but they are failing to control the situation. These people vaigara mudzimba dzavo vakadzingwa handiti, kudzingwa kwavakaita vakabva vauya kuno kuzotsvaga pekugara handiti, so they have to fix it. But at the end of the day, zvandaitaura zviye kuti SADC iri kupi, African Union iri kupi, United Nations iri kupi, situation like a country like South Africa that has got a very good name, the history of Nelson Mandela, the history of Oliver Tambo and all other people who fought for this country. But now with this situation, how beautiful the country is, a country that hosted World Cup, all of a sudden they are ill-treating foreign nationals from another country. This is unacceptable at all. This is unacceptable at all. So, yeah. And that number yandikutaura kuti inogona kutosvika ku 15,000 vanhu, and now there are 2 buses that are going today. Oh, I'm coming now. Varikundidana. Yeah, mukundidana. Varikupi? Oh, all right. So guys, imwe motikari yasvika ine mapedza auya from Sisiklo. Yeah? Mapedza akabva kuna Sisiklo asvika nebhaki. Now we've got an interpreter from Malawi who is going to help us. He's just arrived. Oh, all right. So another vehicle has come with the sanitary pads. Guys, zokuti unotochika kurohwa nkunzu, but apa tiri pabasa. We can only assist. This is the high risk, but we want people to be assisted. I have to be on the ground so that we work together collectively to assist Vaniva. And it somehow can muri pa
just ask you to the entrance, but
hey. Hey. Huh? I think it's a cook.
so they have to come this way.
Yeah. You know, sometimes social media mislead. Ichikupa ma wrong
murikona pamuri papo pakavharwa nemapurisa rivhesai ipapo kamudzike nerodi. Why? Mapinda nepakavharwa here mimi. Soko kana makutoisa kafamba imende kuberanzi inotenderera rodi yacho. Mavabvunzerwa here asi mapurisa acho. Saka fambai kuenda mberi tosangana nemine kugate.
Anza gate riko.
Ameno pala apa ndipasa kumanga. Akuzguroti kwatanga tirere. Hapana ere vanhu vari papapa vamuri kuona. Maliza papa.
You know what surprised me is that vakasvika vekumalawi vachona vakabva ku all right handitika vakasvika kumalawi hanzi vese vari stuck vakaiswa mustadium inonzi Bakili Muluzi kumalawi vasvika munyika mavo traveling all these 3 to 4 days I'm not sure vasvika kumalawi kubva kuSouth Africa vari kunzi vazhinji vachona they are stuck in a stadium. I saw the pictures. Imagine kuti munomerwa neupenyu muri in a foreign land masvika kumusha and they were complaining also about chikafu and so on, and the community does not want to integrate them. They are staying in a yeah, no, I told them I'm organizing. Yeah? Huh? No, I'm arranging. I'm arranging. No, this man won't die as long as I'm alive. No, I will do my best to help you, my brother. Yeah. I want to see anyone I'm not gonna show now. You're not gonna show now. Oh. No, I can go. All right. Okay. Hey, I want to talk and how can I? Yes. So anti vashika kumusha government yekumalawi yakavati they cannot integrate them in the society automatically. So what they decided to do, quite some stadium mavari kunzi anofanira kumbotanga vaitwa sei, but they've been complaining. So I'm just trying to look for a vehicle. I think that time Yandawuya I didn't cover this other side. Kuno kusaka pandani chukudza kuti number yachona inogona kufura ku 15,000. Inogona kufura 10,000. This side pandaita ma coverage ese dasanda kusvika kuno. Kune vamwe vari kugara area ine. Vamuri kuona. This area. Hello. Yes, kuno kwanja kukukava pandatanga kuita coverage yedu. Yeah. Iwe nini tine basi. This area ndakuikava. All right. Now I'm just looking for our baki. Iri kunziri pano. Oh, ndaona kwa hili. Guys, you are just arriving now. You are just arriving now. My brother. You see, vachangosvika. So, I also want you to see from this angle. Chico! 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 You must make a U-turn. Then you come here, you go down. Yeah. Guys, I won't be able to read some of the messages, but this is a live broadcast that is coming all the way from Durban. Atitadze kusimbisa Great Hope yaiso diziri nemotikari kuti iuye panapo nezvinhu zvawaya nazvo. Vanoda kujoina mapolisi eGreat Hope azvinetse from 99 rand pamwedzi chete. 99 rand. Namba yekujoina mapolisi eGreat Hope tanayo iripo 071 276 8363. Anditi ndikanisame ndomboisa handisi kuikata ndakukumbira mapolisa kuti vatendere kuti motikari ita se isvike. I'm not sure kuti rimwe bhazi riri kusvika here. I think that this is another bus that is arriving now. This one riri kusvika here. Polisi wacho nakarova serious. Bus rimwe rasvika here. So it's going to be the third bus for today. But nekuwanda kuri kuita vanhu nekuya kwavari kuita, it won't be enough. Say, there's this buggy that is coming. It has got some sanitary pads, so it's behind this bus. So we want it to go.
I don't know about that. You can talk to one of the
because we spoke to them, because we want to deliver them out inside. We are donating them. All right. No, you can go down. It's fine. Anosabhakira Mr. Munetsi rasvika Great Hope panzvimbo. Rasvika Great Hope all the way from Johannesburg. Rasvika nema sanitary pads, nema pampers. Ndiri garden ini pachangu. So tiri kuona kuti pane bhazi rasvika iro. Sorry. Chico! I'm not sure it has to go through this way, but let me ask you, the police. How are you, sir? We've got this buggy. It has got some things that you want to donate that are in the bag. I'm not sure what is the right way of getting inside.
I'm not familiar with this premises. You can go down to the supervisors.
Okay. Yeah. Besides this way, is there another way that you can go behind, like to avoid this?
You can walk. We can walk in and inquire.
Oh, okay. But I think there's another. Just wait.
Which kind is it?
It's mine.
What is here for?
We have brought some sanitary pads and some for the women.
No, you need to find another way because this is no go zone. We are putting buses here.
Okay. So these cars that are fighting, what entrance are they using? Those
if
ones.
You can go, if
Yeah.
you can manage to go this way,
Yeah.
go and turn and go.
Yeah, no, I think let me use that way.
Yeah, use that one.
Chico, follow me. Vane attitude mapurisa acho nari pano. Attitude isingaite. Vane attitude isingatoiti. Antu vakarohwa nezuro. Zvimwene zvakavaonesa moto nezuro. Saka let's vauya vane yeah, it is follow. They are following me. Chico, I'm not sure. about this route they told us. Let me see something here. No, man. Chico, as Naguan, we can carry them. Because I'm not sure if we are going to get a... Yeah. My brother, how are you? Is there another way that this car can go this way and come back? Oh, okay. All right. Come! Yeah, it's a long way to go, guys. We are just trying to find a way. Morning, sir. We're still trying to find a way to motikari ipinde apa tarambirwa kupinda. Just try, you turn left. When you find a left turn. Yeah. Let's see. No, I can walk. Yeah. I'm sorry. Bazura kakonzeresa nyonga neziriri. How are you, sir? So, is there a way that this car can turn and come back? Because we have something that you want to deliver inside there. If you go straight like here.
Yeah, I'm not sure, my because I'm not from here. But I think there's a way for the outside.
At that side, they said they are no longer allowing
people. Where are we offloading? Where are we going to offload the thing?
So they were saying there's another way that we can go around and...
Right. Why you don't send me then? No. Hey, first I know so cool, man. But I'm going to go to Pangira.
Guys, you just have to be patient. We're trying to find a way. I don't think there's a way. Sure. Huh? The what? What? Huh?
My tank is dry.
All right, so the first thing that we need to do is to offload these things.
Sure.
Let's offload them. I think we can carry them. Makadi, Muri right. Yeah. Let's just take these things.
Which way?
You follow me.
Okay.
Yeah. Why did you bring a baby to this environment, guys? This is not a very conducive environment, Muri right, for babies. You see it yourself. The
problem of
yeah. I know, I can put my life on hold so that I can carry the stuff. Then I can continue. Just take everything out. I'm sure we can carry them.
Hello?